chefs and chefettes.
Hey.
What's up, YouTube? We are back.
You know what? That went wrong because I was supposed to start and you started. That's fine.
Okay, go right ahead.
Hey, chef.
Guys, guess whose birthday it is?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
It's mine.
Chef Sam's birthday.
Oh, yeah.
I asked Chef Sam, what do you want to do for your birthday? Nothing. I don't want to do nothing. I don't want to go nowhere. I want to stay home.
Listen, come here. Shut your stupid ass up.
I like that.
But I must have asked her for 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Guys, you know what? I decided, let's go do something we haven't done before.
That always sounds fun.
Guys, today we're going to try ramen
Yum.
for the first time.
The only thing ramen I ever had was ramen noodle soup, you know, that comes in the bag.
The 4-pack
Yeah, the 4-pack.
that you get from Dollar Tree.
Yeah.
Really, nigga?
Sodium in a pack.
Yeah.
That's not ramen.
It says ramen noodle.
That's not ramen.
It says ramen noodle though.
That's not ramen.
Alright, that's all I've ever had.
Guys, so we're going to somewhat a ramen spot in Queens. I mean, it's our first time, so we don't know what's popular. Comment below if you know somewhere popular that we can try next time. But we're gonna go somewhere local that serves ramen.
Years ago, one of our friends, well, one of Chef Trini's good friends, spoke. So Owl told us that we should try ramen noodle, and was like, yeah, we never
That's
did.
my friend Hajit. He's been telling us, yo, pick a date, and I'm gonna take you to try the best ramen ever. So we're gonna have to do that. We're definitely gonna have to do that. But
now he's probably gonna see this and be mad like we didn't go with him.
I'm telling him it's your fault.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
You can't, because in the beginning of the video,
He's gonna see it.
In the beginning of the video, you said I didn't pick no ideas.
All
and
right.
decided,
I'm gonna cut that out. Guys,
Totally.
so we're gonna go look for a ramen spot here in Queens, and we're gonna see you when we get there. All right, guys, so we got our noodles, our ramen noodles. Want to tell them what you got?
I have lamb ramen.
I got beef ramen. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Show them your lamb. Guys, this is our first time trying the ramen. That look good. Yours smell good. Guys.
How do you feel about yours? Why you didn't say yours, though?
Mine looks okay compared to yours. Yours is nice and bronze.
Yes.
Got color compared to this beef. Guys, and it comes with chopsticks. Guess what? Chef Chini don't know how to use chopsticks. They don't give you no forks, no spoons, nothing.
You know, we went someplace to eat before, and they gave you chopsticks. Where did we go?
Guys, I don't know how to. Am I holding this right?
Yep. No. Look at me.
I hold it like a pencil?
Yeah, like a pencil.
So how do you close it?
You squeeze together, and then you could turn your noodles, and then you lift it up.
It's not working.
I see you tossing them things real quick. We ate something before. Where were we, in Chinatown? In Flushing. And you had chopsticks.
Bro, it's not working out. Oh, wait a minute, do a thumbnail. 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 Hold up your chopstick. One more. Thumbnail. All right. Guys, I'm sorry. I can't do it. Oh, guys, and we got what's that? Spicy
Wonton.
spicy wontons.
Spicy chili wonton.
Spicy chili oil wontons. I'm sorry, I can't mess with these chopsticks. I'm gonna have to use this fork that luckily I had in the car. I'm gonna put this.
Look at my chopsticks.
I suck. I don't know how to use it. Guys, and they make the noodles right in front of you. Can you believe that? Did we get a clip of him? No, we didn't get a clip of him making the noodles, but we got to watch them make the noodles. Like, they make so much different noodles there. It's crazy. It's first time trying ramen. I'm ready. I'm ready.
And they give the broth on the side.
Yeah, we have to, well, when to go, they put the broth in a container and we just poured it in. All right, I'm ready. Ramen. Oh, I think I need some more of that spice. That spicy chili oil.
Let me go dip for it for you.
Okay. Usually when I see people eat ramen, there be an egg in there though. Is there egg in yours?
Nope. Maybe that's a different kind.
It's ramen.
They also give soy sauce. Like we put soy sauce in here.
Yeah, it came with soy sauce.
A side of chili sauce. It's a spicy one.
Ooh, I like that. I ate something with a kick. Tastes like a cilantro. I like that. That gave it a nice flavor.
Would you like to taste a piece of my lamb?
Guys, comment below if you ever had ramen. Sure.
I fed you with a chopstick. Bro, you gotta look with the chopstick.
Bro, almost choked on a chopstick, bro.
Yo, that's insane.
Oh wow, that tastes good.
Yeah.
Would you like to try a piece of my beef?
No, thank you.
Try it.
Yes.
Try it. Oh, try it anyway. I'm just giving you beef because I can't get the other stuff. I like that the cilantro. They need to put just straight cilantro. Green onions, scallions. There's some like celery or seaweed in there. I don't know.
I'm glad I got lamb.
Yours tastes better. I ain't gonna lie.
That beef don't do it for me.
Yours did taste better. I told you yours was looking all bronze. Yours had color. Like your meat just came out the tanning booth.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I remember those. You know how to eat with chopsticks.
You still own the chopsticks?
Because clearly I don't. Let me know if y'all know how to eat with chopsticks. Oh, what's this? I'm gonna try it, but I don't know what this long thing is. Look at this.
It tastes good.
It is? What is it? Do you know? So you eat stuff you don't even know what it is? That's crazy. Oh my God! Wow!
I've been doing it all day.
Okay. It does
It tastes
taste
like a
good.
big cilantro.
Yeah, yeah. It tastes like a big cilantro. I like that.
It's really good.
I like that. I wish I had a boiled egg in here though. I don't know. I be watching people eat ramen on TV, and I always see them with a boiled egg in there. Where's my egg?
It's crazy.
Something ain't right.
Maybe that was like $1.25.
I'm going back. Ling ling. I want my boiled egg.
Out of pocket for that shit. Way out of pocket.
That's crazy.
That's good though. I like it.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna get the beef again. I would get the lamb because the lamb tastes better.
Maybe a pork.
They have pork. Guys, I'm gonna need y'all to tell me where's the best ramen in New York.
Look, I pick up my lamb.
Wow, you're professional. Clearly, I suck.
I had practiced eating sushi
Guys.
long ago.
Don't forget to wish Chef Sam a happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, guys.
Guys, we went on a food tour for her birthday. That's all we did was eat today. Eat. We're gonna get back to the house. We're gonna open up some presents. We're gonna toast.
And eat.
We're not making no more babies.
Big no ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am.
Not this year. We had one this
Last year for your birthday, we went to that. What's that banana pudding place?
year.
Magnolia. This year we went to Martha's.
Magnolia is really good. Martha's.
And this year we went to Martha's. We got some cakes.
Yeah.
She got a cake. I got a cake.
You want to tell them what kind of cake you got?
Not yet. Yeah, because we're not gonna mukbang the desserts. But I got a red velvet cheesecake. Oh my god! It just caught my eye. I was like, I like cheesecake. I like red velvet. You know what would have been topped off? What would have topped that off? If that had like some cookie crumbles on top of that. Oh my god! I'm such a fatty. Imagine that.
That those little curls on top of it is white chocolate chip though. It's really good.
I like this ramen. I like that.
I got a vegan chocolate chip slice of cake.
She's vegan, guys. Over here eating lamb. She vegan.
I'm on a dairy diet, guys, and I'm not allowed to eat anything dairy. So no milk, no soy. I can't. I'm lying?
Guys, we just had a Korean corn dog and she had cheese on it.
No, I did not.
No. She had spicy mayo. I'm snitching.
True. But it was like a little tiny bit.
I like this. It sucks though that this place, they said they're going to be closing next month. It's really good. I like it. I would come back here to try a different type of meat because I like the flavor. I like the noodles. Oh shoot, we didn't even tell you the price. I can't even remember. Oh shoot, we forgot. We got spicy chili oil wontons. I'm gonna try one. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna see if this is like White Bear. Remember that place?
In Flushing.
In Flushing, White Bear, man. We love their wontons. Guys, look at this wonton. Yeah, I know. We went to try ramen, but we end up with a wonton. Says a lot.
Don't judge us. Actually, don't judge Chef Trini. Because that time, I know normally it's like, oh, Sam made me do it. Chef Sam made me do it. Not this time. Why your face like that? That don't look good. Let me try.
White Bear's chili oil is better. The wonton tastes good. The chili oil is meh.
Oh, it's hot.
It is hot.
I can, just from looking down in the bowl, the White Bear's oil was thicker.
Yeah, White Bear's chili oil.
This one looks a little.
White Bear's chili oil was a lot better. The wontons is good though. They're
It's
big.
hot. I don't know how you.
They're big because I dropped it. Look at that. Look at this wonton.
It's a big one.
See the chili oil on there? The steam coming off. See the meat on the inside? It's good. It's good. But
This wonton is really
the
good.
wonton's good, but the chili oil, the peppers is like crunchy and crispy. I like the peppers to be soft. Like I don't want to be. So I'm crunching on the chili oil peppers or the peppercorns. That's the only thing I don't like. But this wonton is really good. It's huge. It's way bigger than White Claw.
It's very meaty.
Look at it.
It's like a soft.
It's huge. Look at the
really
size
good.
of this.
Uh-huh.
Yo, we eating like kings and queens today for Chef Sam's birthday. Me too. There's a lot of food. So what are you gonna rate the wonton? You ladies first.
I'll give it an 8.
You give the wontons an 8?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what? I was gonna be generous and go higher than that, but since it's my first time and I really like it, I'm gonna give it an 8 because it might be somewhere better. And they didn't give me my boiled egg. Oh, what the hell is this?
It is definitely different. There's a cilantro. No, I don't know.
Look at this. I don't know what that is. What's different? I like this though.
I like that the noodles are fresh.
Guys, they make the noodles in front of you.
It's not the best lamb I've ever had.
Because you like too much halal lamb.
The halal from that Greek lamb.
Oh, that
You saw how Chef Trini eyes just got big?
that Mediterranean, that hero. Hero. Their lamb. But that's a beef lamb. That's not pure lamb. They be processing that lamb. Maybe like half beef, half lamb at those
I don't know what they do, but
Greek
I like
stands.
it. It's good. I think I'm full.
Me too.
Okay.
Have to wrap this up.
Not only that, you know, White Bear, they don't put cilantro on their wontons.
And look at the other stuff in there. What's that? Onions?
Let me pick this up. I don't even know if we picked this up.
Yeah, you're right. We didn't even show y'all the chili oil wontons. Look at this. They come with 8, and they're huge.
Yeah, they're pretty big.
Y'all see those? They got a lot of veggies in there. Hey, would you like some more? I'm gonna have one more for you guys. So we gave it an 8. We the ramen an 8. I'm gonna give the chili oil wontons. I'm gonna give these an 8 as well.
Yep.
Let me have one more piece before we close this out. Matter of fact, I didn't share.
That's okay.
You guys have it. Thank
So
you.
nice.
See this? Oh, these are good. I think I'm gonna have one more.
After that one?
Mm-hmm.
And you're giving it an 8?
I like it.
So why you don't give it a 9 at least?
Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. One more. I like it. Ooh, I got a white tee on. I hope I should have had a bib today. Oh, surprisingly. Oh, I did make a mess. I thought I didn't make a mess.
Surprisingly, oh, never mind.
I can see it right there. Look at that.
Got him!
Made a mess. I'm about to have one more.
that white tea look crisp too, by the
Yeah, brand new. Everything, the whole fit new. All right. I'm not gonna.
No. Oh, no.
Just eat it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna.
It's
do
my
it.
birthday.
I'm just gonna. It's your birthday,
Might as well.
so that means I gotta eat like a fatty.
No. It's my birthday.
These are really good. Matter of fact, I'm giving this a 9. You convinced me. You know what? No lie. Give me these wontons with White Bear's chili oil. Boom. That's a 10.
That's
a 10.
That could be a 10.
Because these wontons are way bigger. The meat tastes fresh. Like they just can't. It came out the oven or the pot.
It's very flavorful.
Look at this. Look at this. I think it's pork. All right, I'm topping out. Can you throw some back on me, honey?
You got one more?
No.
Just one more.
No. I know my limit. That was busting. That was totally busting. Guys, we hope you liked our video. We hope you liked this review. Don't forget to comment below if you know somewhere that got better ramen. Yeah, baby. Anything else you want to say, my love?
This
Don't
was
be-
delicious.
Don't forget to wish Chef Sam a happy birthday in the comments.
This was a delicious breakfast. A delicious birthday lunch.
All right, guys, and we are out.